So today I'm going to show you how to go from £1 all the way to £100 in your first week of affiliate marketing. You know, this might not sound like a lot of money, but when you get the hang of this, you can start scaling this business model up and you can start generating thousands and thousands of pounds. You know, most people will charge you hundreds, if not thousands, for this information that I'm about to give you, but you know, I'm going to give it you all for the low price of a like on this video. Anyways, affiliate marketing is probably one of the most sought after income streams on the planet. The idea that you can make a full-time living from placing links on the internet sounds way too good to be true. But where do you even start, and is any of this real? Well, I can tell you as someone who has made well into the thousands of pounds in affiliate marketing sales that this is a very real income stream. And in today's video, I'm going to show you everything behind the scenes and all the fundamentals that you will need to know in setting up your own affiliate marketing business. And you know, I'm also going to be letting you know the truths about this business that not a lot of YouTubers will tell you. So this might be a long video, but you know, I want to cover as much as possible so you have the best chance in making your first £100 this week. So I will include timestamps down below in the description, so feel free to come back to this video whenever you want. Okay, so the first step on your affiliate journey is picking your product. This might be one of the most important things you can do. So there's a few things that I like to ask, you know, when I'm picking a product. First, do I have a lot of knowledge in this area, in this niche? You want to be using your unfair advantages in the sector that you choose so that you can market your affiliate product better than anyone else. You know, this can be things like, say you're really into sports, really into football or soccer for you Americans out there. Because you're a football fan, you will know what people are willing to spend their money on. People that are in that football niche, are in that community, won't have any idea what people are willing to spend their money on. So make sure that the niche that you pick is something that you actually enjoy yourselves. It just makes the whole process a lot more easier. So one area I actually do affiliate marketing in is in the sneaker niche. I'm actually partnered up with Nike and I earn a couple £100 a month just by placing a few Nike links on my landing page. All I do to actually get people to click my links is by posting stories to my fashion page promoting the sneakers and then having a link to the offer. I then can earn anywhere from 5, 10 or even 15% commission. Now the reason this does so well is because I don't actually promote this on my, you know, personal Instagram page. I actually promote it on a fashion Instagram page that I have made myself and I've grown to like 50,000 followers. Now because my page is centered around sportswear products like sneakers, this works so well because people that actually follow me are interested in buying these products. That means there's more chance of them actually buying it through my link, which means I'm going to get a higher return on my partnership with Nike and get more affiliate marketing sales. Say if I was to post these Nike products to an animal Instagram page, I guarantee you like 1% might click the link. So it's all about building the niche for your product. So now I hope the cogs in your brain are turning. I hope everything's like clicking up there and you're thinking, oh, how can I implement this? So now that I've given you a few examples of how I do it, you might be thinking, okay, so where do I actually find the products? How can I actually sign up to some of these programs? The way you actually apply to become an affiliate is by joining a program called Awin. So I will place a link down in the description to this website, but basically this is like the affiliate marketing hub. Once you sign up to Awin, you'll be able to browse thousands of affiliate products. So all you have to do is click on join programs and you'll be able to browse through all the companies. Now, a few tips that you should definitely take on board before signing up to any programs. You'll be able to find out how many people actually get accepted to the programs before you sign up, so you know if it's worth your time even applying. Most of the time as well, you'll be able to find out how much the company pays you per sale. This is important because you want to be aiming for at least 4% commission, otherwise it's just not worth your time. You know, if you're only getting 1% commission on a sale, you're not going to earn that much money, depending on the niche though, because if you are in like the travel niche and you get 1% on a holiday, it might actually still be worth your time. Just keep that thought in the back of your head. Finally, you can see how well other people are doing selling that product, which gives you an indicator on whether you should spend some more time trying to sell it yourself. For example, if you join an affiliate program and no one can sell this product, you know, there's probably a reason why no one's selling this product. So if you see that, I'd stay well clear from that. You know, don't try and reinvent the wheel here. If something's working and people are getting a product to sell, I would jump on that bandwagon and also try and sell that product because clearly it is in demand and clearly people are wanting it. Okay, so you've picked your product and now you actually need to drive some traffic to your affiliate links. Now this is a real iceberg situation in so many different ways, but to keep this simple, I'm going to outline what has worked for me in the past and what I'm currently doing now that is working for me. You know, this is probably where 90% of affiliate marketers fail. You know, they find a good product, but they just can't market it or they just don't know how to get that organic traffic. So what I'm about to lay on you guys right now, you know, some really good hacks that if you utilize, I guarantee this affiliate marketing business is going to work out for you. So the best traffic source is organic. Organic basically just means where it pops up into someone's feed without you actually having to pay any money. Now this traffic source is so powerful because people are more likely to click and trust someone who isn't just paying for an ad. You know, especially if you have good engagement, people are commenting on it and saying how good it is, and you know, you've actually got like a following or something on a platform, that brings a level of trust that posting an advert just won't do. So the first organic traffic source that you can get yourselves into is Instagram theme pages. This is where you grow a page in a niche. For example, it could be sports, it could be travel, it could be business. So the whole idea is that you grow a following of like-minded people that are interested in the same sort of thing. So after you grow a following, let's say you've got around 10,000 followers all interested in, you know, a travel niche or something, you'll be able to start making some money with affiliate marketing by promoting links to your travel audience about different holidays. Now, obviously, a little disclaimer, you can start making money with 100 followers. You don't need 10,000 followers. I'm just using it as an example because I think when you hit 10,000 followers, you know, you can start earning affiliate marketing income pretty consistently. Also, the number 10,000, I don't want this number to seem scary to you. I don't want you to think, oh God, you know, how am I ever going to get 10,000 followers on a platform like Instagram? I don't want you to think of this as a hard goal at all. Growing an Instagram page isn't that hard when you have the fundamentals down. I actually have an Instagram network of over 600,000 followers. You know, I'm constantly building new profiles. I'm constantly trying different affiliate products out by creating different pages and stuff. And honestly, once you get the fundamentals down, it is really easy. So if that's something that you're interested in and learning how to grow a page, I have a whole playlist down on YouTube that can help you out with this sort of thing. If you want an example of what one of these pages look like, then we can have a look at this travel page. And I'm currently reviving this page on my channel, but you can see that I post travel content and I'm building up a loyal audience of travel followers. Now, the key part of this business is to act more like a friend than a business. You don't want to constantly be throwing links in people's faces, and you want to come across more natural. So on this page, I'll earn affiliate commission by recommending people holidays and hotels. The way I do this is by posting high quality reels of the destination. Reels are basically just like the Instagram videos, just like TikToks. Anyways, once you post like these high quality videos of your affiliate product, for me, example, a hotel, people will look at that, and the people that are already following my page will think that's a nice hotel, you know, it's a travel hotel, you know, they'll go along the day, you know, that loyal follower is still going to be happy with us posting that content. But now here's where the interesting part comes in. About 5% of those people will actually think, oh hey, this looks really good, you know, I'm actually wanting to travel there, I want to book this hotel. Now this is where we put in the description, we put click the link in my bio to get a good deal on this hotel. What the follower will then do is click the link in your bio, and then you'll actually have your affiliate link there to the hotel, which then you'll get a commission on. Now as you can see, this doesn't just have to work in travel, you can use this in any niche. Like if you had a fitness brand, you could advertise a certain protein product, put the links in your bio, and people will just go and buy it. Once you have that loyal follower in that niche, it is very, very easy to make these affiliate marketing sales and to get people to click your link. And the best part about all of this is that it's absolutely free. That is why I love organic affiliate marketing so much, because you've got nothing to lose apart from your time. Okay, next up, let's talk about TikTok. TikTok is basically Instagram on steroids, and I'm not joking. Basically, the way the TikTok algorithm works, it doesn't care if you have 10 followers or 100,000 followers. It will treat each video that you upload fairly, and it will give you the same chance to blow up as someone with, you know, thousands and thousands of followers. This is what makes TikTok such a good platform for people trying to start out, because if you post a video, your very first video could literally get millions of views. This is why you see a lot of dropshippers using TikTok, because when they put their products onto a TikTok shop, that product could be seen by millions of people straight away. So this is really good for us, as it means we're going to get more eyeballs on the post, you know, compared to, let's say, if we just started an Instagram account. However, you know, there's a few limitations with TikTok. Firstly, you know, you have to have 10,000 followers before you can actually post a link in your bio. This is definitely a hindrance if you get a viral TikTok, say it gets like 500,000 views or whatever, but you know, you're not converting any of those views to followers. You get all these views and people can actually click the link to buy your product. However, it's not hard to hit 10,000 followers. You know, you should be able to hit that within your first month if you're making good content and actually getting people to view your stuff. So if you're also making an Instagram theme page, like I said in my first step, you should probably be doing TikTok as well, because it's kind of similar content. And you know, sometimes if a post doesn't work on Instagram, let's say, it might go viral on TikTok or vice versa. So it's good to always experiment with these things and to upload to as many platforms as you can, because the idea is the more eyeballs you get on your post, the more chance they're going to click your affiliate links, which means the higher chance you're going to get paid. Now, honestly, just off these two methods alone, I can see you getting clicks on your affiliate products, and I can also see you earning easily £100, $100 in your first week. You know, if you actually do these steps and actually follow through with it, you know, this is going to work for you. However, if this sounds like too much of a time sink to you and, you know, you don't want to build up a following, it's going to take too long, there is also another option. So you can actually get a large boost to your affiliate products really, really fast. And this is where you pay for a shout out or promotion on a bigger page. You basically give a page your link / creative post, and they'll promote it either on their feed or their story. If you pick a good page with high engagement, your affiliate link could be seen by tens and hundreds of thousands of people. And you know, these probably cost around £50 to £100 depending on how big the page is that you're asking to advertise your product. Now remember, you do want to pick a page that is in the same niche as your affiliate product, otherwise there's no point. Basically, this is just a shortcut. If you don't want to build your own page, you can pay these people that have already built their page in the niche that you want it to go in to promote your product for you. Now I would recommend building your own page, but you know, like I said, if you want to shortcut this whole method, however, it does get expensive and it runs it into your profits. But this also brings me back to a good point. If you do go ahead and make an Instagram page or a TikTok page, you will only be earning money through affiliate links. People might actually come to you and ask to, you know, promote their links on your page, which means you can be earning an extra couple £100 a month just by building a page in a certain niche. So I'm going to spitball some of the last few organic ideas here. These are stuff that I've kind of dipped my toe in, but I've not really gone too far into. So if you want me to dive deeper into any of these, let me know down in the comments. So we have Pinterest. You can repost other people's content and post your link on the post. You have Twitter, where you can make a thread offering helpful advice, but then have your affiliate product be part of the helpful steps. This works really well when you're making someone's life easier, because you know, if they're actually following along with the process and part of the process is by buying like this affiliate program that makes their life easier, they're probably going to buy it, which means higher conversions for you. Finally, people use organic affiliate products all the time on YouTube. You know, you've definitely seen creators have links in their description with all the gear they use, like all the camera equipment, all the monitors they use. They can have Amazon affiliate links to these products, so if people, you know, like their stuff or think their desk setup looks cool or something, they'll click these links and they'll get a commission off that. So now that you've learned how to pick a good product, you've also learned how to bring traffic to your product, you're going to need a landing page. Now let me explain what this is, because it's actually really simple. So a landing page is basically like the bow on top of a present. You know, you want to present your links in the best way possible in order to get people to click on them. So there's a really simple way to do this by creating a link tree. Now I'm sure you've all heard what a link tree is. Basically all you have to do is go to linktree.com and then place your links in the tabs in like the middle section, and then name your links to something engaging. For example, special offer, don't miss out on this amazing protein shake or something like that. Just name the links so they're not just generic little links and they're actually explaining to the consumer what they're clicking. However, as you expand your business and you know, you make more money with affiliate marketing, you know, start getting into the thousands of pounds every single month, I would advise you to actually make your own website. So for example, this is my website for my sneaker business. You can see that everything is sorted into categories and is presented in a nice way, and when you do click the product, it redirects you to the Nike website, basically just making you look more professional instead of just a cash grab. You know, if you have just a link tree in your bio, it kind of looks like a cash grab, where if you have like a professional website, which honestly is not hard to do, it's really easy. I've got tutorials on my channel on how to build websites like this. Okay, so now you have all the fundamentals in your affiliate marketing business, from traffic to your landing page to actually building a community and getting people to click on your links. You know, you've got everything that you will need. Honestly, if you followed along this video from start to finish, there is no doubt in my mind that you can't make some money with affiliate marketing. And to be honest, probably around 90% of people that clicked on this video haven't made it to the end. So if you've made it to the end, you're already doing better than 90% of people. Just go and implement these strategies that I've taught you. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.